What's up, party animals? Just wanted to reach out to you guys that hopefully you've been keeping up with the things that we posted this week in Google Classroom, and that moving forward, it's going to be kind of something where I'm sending out your assignments, your tasks, however you want to look at them, on Mondays. This is all going to be posted on Google Classroom. You'll have pretty much the entire week to work on it. Obviously, don't want to overload you cats because you have a lot going on. Obviously, some of you guys are babysitting your siblings, and I definitely get it. I'm home with 3 kids. I miss being at school. Some of you guys I miss, some of you I don't, let's be honest. Kidding. I don't miss any of you. Now, to be 100% honest with you, I know the structure of everything is going to be really, really off. It's going to be really weird. It's going to be kind of out of touch. I'm here. If you need to get in contact with me, email me. I have Google Hangouts for my office hours, which are going to be Monday and Thursday from 10 to 11. I'll send you guys a link. You guys have access to that link. In case you click it, I'll be there. You have questions, you want to talk, something's on your mind, whatever it is, I got you. The entire biology department will have they'll have their own office hours, so to speak, so we will have some other things there for you. But again, these are some weird times. Hopefully, some of you guys paid attention when we talked about viruses and bacteria, because this would give you a better understanding of what it is we're going against. If you watched any of the videos, or you started to create your own videos, with some of you have on TikTok, which is fantastic, you would know that what we're facing here is a virus that is a spherical virus. That's why it's got the name coronavirus. And yeah, it's a pretty bad one from a respiratory standpoint. Killing a lot of people, affecting a lot of other people. Sean Payton, coach of the New Orleans Saints, Donovan Mitchell, some of these other cats in the NBA are starting to get it or have gotten it. So it's definitely affecting us in ways that it's unprecedented. It's bizarre, it's crazy, it's wild, but here we are. So understand right now that what we are living through is historical. They've never shut down school. Well, I don't know. I haven't been around that long, but they shut down schools. You guys are obviously at home. I know there's different stresses on you. There's different stresses on us as teachers and faculty. And again, our whole goal is to make sure you guys are still successful, still able to learn, still able to use your brains. We want you guys to be extremely successful through this time. So overall, long story short, I just want to say this is, if you need something, hit me up. You can email me or it's at Google Hangouts. I will post the link from 10 to 11 on Mondays and Thursdays. All right, Monday, Thursday, 10 to 11. I'm here. Can't say that there might not be a kid that pops up or whatever it is, but I'll be there. So I hope this video finds you and your family healthy. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're not too cooped up, going too wild, doing some Shining type stuff where you lose your mind, like I feel like I am every now and then. So stay well. I'll hit you guys up. Let's see, next week, Monday. Hopefully you finish the activity that I had sent for you guys this week. And deuces, stay healthy, guys.